We need to talk about magnesium and choline citrate because that is one of the solutions to getting the first morning urine pH into the optimal 6.5 to 7.5 range. Will you please explain to our viewers how not keeping the cell alkaline can actually have a negative impact?
Yes, the body is acidic by function. That is, it produces every day net acid excess in the cell, but it's alkaline by function. And what that means is we have to take in minerals, specifically magnesium, to keep the cell alkaline. What happens when the cell becomes even a little bit acidic? Well, your energy drops dramatically. The quality of your sleep goes down dramatically. You toss and turn more and you get up without restorative sleep. Your ATP to ADP ratio goes down. Your glutathione level goes down. The ability of your body to repair and renew itself goes down. Now, a lot of your energy is being spent to recycle poorly produced proteins because of a lack of magnesium. And we know the daily need today is about 440 milligrams. That's what you would get from 2 doses of 2 capsules plus a teaspoon. That is 2 capsules of Mag Plus Guard gives you 220 milligrams of elemental magnesium. A teaspoon of choline citrate gets it in, and then the choline and the citrate are beneficial. So 2 doses a day is maintenance, and for every half pH unit below 6.5, an additional dose. So if you're between 6 and 6.5, 3 doses a day. If you're between 5.5 and 6, 4 doses a day. If you're between 5 and 5.5, 5 doses a day. You'd be surprised how deficient a lot of people are, how much extra acid a lot of people are making, which means they're wasting in the urine the minerals that they need, including magnesium and potassium, leaving the cell acidic when it is crying out for the alkaline way. And that's what you get in PERC, Mag Plus Guard plus PERC choline citrate. And now you know, based on urine pH after rest, how many doses in the day to meet the full needs, magnesium, choline, and citrate needs of the individual.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Dr. Jaffe.